Hello guys, today I have received my new 3-in-1 rouge protector that it's for the Apple Watch. Okay, I choose this one because it's a rouge double layer case, and I also like it too much because it's a waterproof screen protector. Okay, and it also is a soft integrate brand, so it has here 3 things in just one product. And in the back part it says that it's secure double layer design, it is a rouge brand design, and it's anti-fog and anti-sweat, and yeah, like I already mentioned, it's a screen waterproof, so I will try it. And the color that I choose is a black color, and this is the 44mm. Okay, so I'm going to open it and I'm going to show you. And oh, okay, here it's just like a card, I think. Oh no, it's okay, this is like a guide stickers, and it also includes 2 wipes to clean it, so I think it's really perfect this that they include. And the instructions, they are here in the inside part of this bag. Okay, and then we have the rouge protector that it's like this. Okay, so I'm going to open it and I'm going to try it. Okay, I like this because I think it's like a unisex product. Okay, it's a black color, so I really like it. And okay, it's like this. It also has the 2 protectors, and I think this one, it will be the one of the waterproof protector, so I like it. Okay guys, I already put my Apple Watch inside. I forget to take this paper and this one off, but I'm still going to use it like this. Okay, so I'm going to put it and let's see how is it looking. Okay, let me put it like I'm seeing. I think this product, it will be like perfect if you're going to go onto a pool, because this is a waterproof screen protector. Okay, so I think it's perfect. I think the extensible, it's like small medium, because I use that size, and it's fitting perfect on my hand. So okay, it looks like that. We can use it. It has here like the buttons to turn it on, turn it off. Okay, so it looks really beautiful. I choose the black color. Obviously, if you want another color, you can choose it. And okay, I put it in the second one, so that's why I'm thinking that it's like a small and medium brand, so it looks really beautiful. Okay, I just forget to take this paper off, but when you buy it and when you have it, you need to take this paper. And okay, like that it's looking, so I like it.